YouTube, a word which has become so popular among the millennials. Do you really want to know the roots of its conception? We shall find out in this video till the end. Stay tuned. YouTube was originally started in 2005 by Javed Karim, Steve Chen and Chad Hurley, who were working in PayPal, and has now become one of the most visited websites in the history of the internet. It was initially conceptualized as a dating video sharing platform, which later on extended to video sharing platform for all types of content. According to the founders of YouTube, it was the Janet Jackson Super Bowl incident as well as the tsunami in December 2004 that triggered the idea of YouTube. Within 18 months from its launch, Google was prompted to purchase YouTube for around $1.65 billion after its failed attempt to generate traffic on its own video service named as Google Video. The first ever video which was uploaded on YouTube was done by Javed Karim, one of the co-founders of YouTube, titled as Me at the Zoo, which is only 18 seconds long. It shows Karim standing in front of elephants at the San Diego Zoo and talking about their trunks. After a beta testing period, the site launched in December 2005 and a Nike commercial became the first video to receive 1 million views. Initially, the choice of the name www.youtube.com led to problems for a similarly named website called www.youtube.com. That site's owner, Universal Tube and Rollform Equipment, filed a lawsuit against YouTube in November 2006 after being regularly overloaded by people looking for YouTube. However, Universal Tube subsequently changed its website to www.youtubeonline.com. In June 2007, YouTube was launched in the UK as well as 8 other countries, namely Brazil, France, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Netherlands, Poland and Spain. Later on, HD videos were introduced by the end of the year 2008 and more people found it appealing to use YouTube. In 2009, big events occurred for YouTube, including the full launch of HD, which is up to 1020p, as well as 1 billion video views per day. And a partnership with Channel 4 meant that they had catch-up TV for the first time. As mentioned previously, there were also people finding it different uses for the site, and it was around this time when gaming and vlogging channels started to gain interest. In 2010, new types of ads were introduced and the site soon hit 3 billion daily views midway through 2011. As audiences started to realize what can be found on the site, many gamers and vloggers now had an opportunity to earn a living simply by posting videos onto YouTube and receiving revenues from ads and support. By the end of 2011, the whole site received a huge overhaul, and later on the first ever video to hit 1 billion views was Psy's Gangnam Style, shortly after the site announced 4 billion daily video views. Since 2012, YouTube has gone from strength to strength and now finds itself as a multi-billion-dollar company. In terms of the site itself, it has recently added live streaming. Around 5 billion videos are watched each day, as well as over 1.3 billion people use the site, and 300 hours of video are uploaded each and every minute. With the expansion of internet penetration throughout the world, YouTube streaming is also showing red flags in terms of its fair use, be it frequent instances of usage of copyrighted material or showing controversial content online. YouTube has been accused for its reluctance to nab such incidents. Despite some of its flaws, YouTube has been consistent enough through its advanced algorithms to trace such content online, and even viewers are also empowered to flag and report such videos so as to improve overall YouTube experience. Nevertheless, ever since with the outbreak of COVID-19, reports suggest that not only YouTube has seen an upward trend in its subscriber base, but has also doubled its YouTube ad revenue up to $6.9 billion. In the years ahead, the support for YouTube is only going to get stronger, providing not only a sense of entertainment but also for generating awareness among the masses too. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe on all notifications to get regular updates.